Today I'm doing a video about steak. Steak I found about 3 weeks ago. So basically I'm doing a review and feedback about steak I just downloaded on my phone about 3 weeks ago. They're a really great platform to go onto the US stock market, and I really like this app. I'll give you some brief history about it. I've got a link below to sign up to Stake. I am actually affiliated with Stake. We're getting some shares, so I will talk about more about Stake. So Stake is founded in Australia in 2009, and basically what happened is it was really hard to get onto the stock market. You had to go to this hard brokers that actually cost a lot of money. Stake actually broke the market in Australia, and now it's officially launched in Britain, so now only in Australia, New Zealand and Britain. One thing I did like about Stake compared to Trading 212 is that there's more range of stocks you can buy. There's more range of company from the US market, and not only that, because the US market is actually one of the biggest markets. So if I want to trade, for example, for an airline for a company called Save, do you know what company is Save? I'll give you 5 seconds. The airline is called Spirit Airlines. So basically, I'm looking currently to invest to do Spirit Airline. But basically, what happened when I go on Trading 212, I can't even see it on 212. So I found this app called Stake. It's really good. It's very clear. It's very modern. One thing that's different about Trading 212 to Stake. Stake is very more modern, more clear. It's showing you about if it up and down in total. Compared to 212, you really have to find the chart of individual. But compared to Stake, really great with Stake. Stake, you can actually have all one company at all once. You can see what is going up, you can see what is going down, and also got a chart on them to just showing you how much you increase, what is you going up, how much you're going down in total of stock of all company. With 212, you don't get that. So that one thing I really like about Stake. And not only that, it's available in Australia, New Zealand and Britain. It's coming soon in Brazil. So Brazil, watch out, because this is a really good application and so. And also, if you got, there's a link below if you want to get some shares, one free share of free stocks. So the free stocks we have is Nike, GoPro or Dropbox, and it's like a round. So you click on it and you have to pick. It officially will pick which one you will get. Not only that, I get a free share. I love freebies, so a free shares and so. The downfall of Stake is actually you have to put in £50 into to sign up to Stake, actually to get onto it, and also there is approximately about a $5 one-off to pay for the US tax treaty form, and that's WA-BEN. So it's anyone who not an American citizen who want to get onto the stock market and use the app that I really like the most, Stake. I think that is a great app to download if you really want to get into the US market. If you don't want to pay any high commission compared to other broker out there, and I like it to do this, and this is my advice. And so basically at this moment before July the 1st, they have 3 features. They have a starter feature, they have an unlimited feature, and there's a black feature. At the moment I'm on unlimited. It's free until July the 1st. What do you get mainly on unlimited? So it's £9 a month each month after July. So what you get a funded order, you have priority access to listing, and you have a GTC order, and you have a continued enhancement. And with black, basically you do actually get, if you are into day trading, so that's more of CFD. I'm not into CFD. I always say it's a very risky game. At the moment it's about 30,000 US dollar or more, you can get onto the black platform for free until July 1st, and it's available for everyone, no matter how much you got or less. So that's the black feature for $19 per month, and that's US dollar, not Australian dollars. And so, and there's a starter kit. Nobody's on the starter kit at the moment, so basically until July that I'm going back to, and that would be free. So the difference compared to these two is that all across the board you have unlimited trading and market order only. Only the starter is only market trading order only. If you wanted to have a font order, it would be limited packages. So that's actually good if you're actually looking at that. But the downfall is that looking at trading 212, you can actually do a fund order without paying a fee. So that's the difference about stake and trading 212. So yes. Also with the payment, because it's from £50, so what happened, there's a conversion charge. There's a low fee conversion charge. I realise that it's not a high fee, and it's a different application when you go into stake. When you firstly go onto it, it'll tell you how many banks that they are providing. So there's kind of a fee from $2, but there's two payment. There's one is the express payment, that more likely to be tomorrow, and there's a regular payment, it might be 2 working days. And so the big difference is if you really want to go on the express, they're charging more on the transaction fee compared to the regular one. It's more a lower end transaction fee, but it will take a little bit longer. And yes, that's one thing kind of that's the downfall of it. And also when you actually do withdraw it, there's unlimited not fee, but there's an unlimited of how much money you can take out compared to how much money you put in, because it's from £50, it will convert it to, well, how much at the time. But with withdrawing, that's the case. There is a low transaction fee as well, but you do not pay withdrawal fee. So the only thing you do only pay is the fee for conversion, and that one thing I really do like. So yes, it got all different things on there, and I will recommend stake. So there's a link below if you want free shares. So yes, so that's my review of stake, and it's available in Australia, New Zealand and the UK, so anyone can actually use the link below. So yes, remember to do your own due diligence, and also I'm not an investment advisor, and so just do your own due diligence. And also if you do want to talk about this, you can even talk to your financial advisor. And so thank you for watching the video. Follow and subscribe and drop a thumb up like for this video. Thank you.